Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you guys how to do a linear regression with forms in Visual Studio using C++. So first what you need to do is to create a linear regression class by itself. So I already done that, so this is it. So first, let me go over this CPP file real quick. So this is my all of my library up here, and this is all of my functions. And then this is the function where I get the data from, which is called regression data.txt, which is this file right here. And this is the function to calculate the sum of x, and then I initialize it to equal to 0. Same as this one also, I initialize sum of y equal to 0. This is the function to calculate this x square, and this is the function to calculate y square. This is the function to calculate the sum of x, y, and this is the function to calculate the slope. This is the function to calculate the base, and get x, get y, and this is the function to calculate my new y, which is my linear regression line. If you notice that here I have a float and here I have a void function. The difference between the float and void is you need a return value for the float. So that's why I have a return y sum in this case. And this is where it just print out all of my values. So here we go. Yep, this is it. This is the equation you should get according to this data. So let me move on to my GUI file. So if I go to my form design, if I click on button 1, this button will get all the data from this file, all the x and y values. And if I go back to this button, which is button 2, this button will graph a linear regression line. So after you've done your design for your buttons and you've done the class linear regression, all you have to do is just put it over here as a header in the CPP file, and now I'm gonna run it. So if I click button 1, it should plot the data for me. Button 2 should graph it for me. There we go. Thank you guys.